I just wanted like a salad. So it's like leftover pasta salad, chopped up chicken, celery, zucchini, cucumbers, onions, carrots, garlic. Yeah. Mayo. You know, something slight, something healthy, something beneficial to the body. And that tastes good with some tortillas on the side. Okay. Really good stuff. Really good stuff. Y'all don't be afraid of the veggies. Don't be afraid of the veggies. I love my veggie dance. Yum, yum. Eat 'em up. Yum, yum. Eat 'em up. Look at that cheese, though. Really good stuff. This camera don't do no justice. But this chicken salad is going to be good as heck. Oh, my goodness. I already know. What the people be doing? They be putting their hands in. Did that help? Let me find out. Y'all have a blessed day and many more to come.